Hello everybody, my name is Ken. I have been working with deep learning for more than 3 years. Now I'm going to introduce the convolution operation to you. In deep learning, there are many ways to construct a layer. One of them is convolutional neural network. By using convolution operation, the parameter amount could be reduced while keeping enough features. Because we can leverage the local connectivity of the source image, applying small kernels require much less computing power than a fully connected neural net. For convolution, we have a source image as the input, this image as the input, and a kernel. This is the kernel. Sometimes we call the kernel filter. This is the filter. At each location, we do a pairwise multiplication of the kernel and the source values. Do the multiplications of the kernel and the source values. And then sum this result together to get the output value. This is the output value. The best way to explain a convolution layer is to imagine a flashlight. The flashlight is shining over the image. The light covers a 3 by 3 area. The source image is then transformed to a feature map. We call the output a feature map. And then let's have a close look at this sample. We have an image and a filter. The channels of the image is 3. The red channel, green channel, blue channel. And the filter have the depth of the 3 correspond to 3 channels of the source image. So the filter size is 3 by 3 by 3. Now, for example, let's take the first position of the filter is in. It would be the top left corner of the image. Let's imagine the flashlight starting sliding across all the areas of the input image. As the filter is sliding, it is multiplying the values of the kernel with the original pixel value of the source image. This one multiplied by this one. This one multiplied by this one. This one multiplied by this one. These multiplications are all summed up. This one multiplied this one, and we get this one multiplied by this one, and then we multiplied by everyone, and then we get a result as the output, got the result, and we repeat this process on the green channel. This one multiplied by this one, this one multiplied by this one, this one multiplied by this one, the 167, and then we get a result, this number, and we do it again on blue channel. In the end, we get three numbers, and we add them up with the bells, and then up, and we get this number as the result. This number. Remember, this number is just the representative of when the filter is at the top left of the image. When the filter is at the top left of the image. And now we repeat this process, all this operation. we repeat this for every location on the input value. Repeat this. The next step will be move the filter right by 1 pixel. Move this to right by 1 pixel. Every unique location on the input volume produces a number. Every process will produce a number. After sliding the filter over all the location of the input, you will find out that what you are left with is a feature map. This is a feature map. Since the kernels are reused and shared, we can reduce these parameters. Now you know how convolution operation works, and I hope this video can explain it well. Thank you very much for watching.